Our top focus on 11 Live with a story that is going to leave the Congress embarrassed and red-faced. Chaotic scenes were witnessed at a rally of actor and Congress State President Raj Babbar, who's also the 5 times Member of Parliament. People gathered for the rally were seen trying to catch a glimpse of the actor and take a photo with him. The jostling seemed to have irritated Raj Babbar, who then turned towards a man behind him and first held him by his collar, then pulled him by his hair. Subsequently, Babbar walked away. Babbar's rallies appear to be jinxed with pushing and shoving witnessed at another Congress public gathering in Aligarh when people attempted to climb the stage and the organizers pushed the people away from the stage. I'm joined by India Today correspondent Shiv Poojan on this story. Shiv, it's a very embarrassing moment for the Congress, but has Raj Babbar reacted so far? Does he have any explanation for this kind of behavior?
Not yet. In fact, we too are waiting for some kind of reaction to be coming from Raj Babbar, especially in the light of the fact that these videos have become very, very viral and it has more or less become the talk of the town. Remember that Uttar Pradesh is headed for immediate elections, and any such a video which is going viral for a person who is entrusted the responsibility of possibly reinstating the lost glory of the Congress party within the UP, for a person to be embroiled in this kind of controversy is bound to be detrimental for the overall health of the Congress party. Remember, just a couple of days ago, there was another fracas-like situation which had developed in Hajipur, wherein there were accusations made on 2 senior Congress leaders of having assembled a huge crowd and misbehaving with that particular crowd, primarily women, wherein they were not being paid the money which they were promised, and subsequently when some of the journalists, they tried to intervene and they wanted to get in some visuals of the protest being staged by the women. The journalists were in for much give and take, and some of their cameras were confiscated. Subsequent to which, in Hapur district, in Hapur area, an FIR was also lodged. So instances like this, these are speak amply for the kind of arrogance which does exist in some of the leadership within the Congress, and definitely may not order well for the party. So we too are waiting for some kind of reaction to come from Raj Babbar himself, who acted in a way as if it was some Hollywood scene that was being played there.
All right, thank you so much. That was India Today's Deputy Editor Shiv Poojan, who was updating us on these visuals where Congress's UP President Raj Babbar and 5 times Member of Parliament Raj Babbar pulled his supporter by his hair and assaulted him because he apparently got irritated when people tried to take pictures with him or tried to meet him. All right, we will have to wait and watch about what Raj Babbar has to say about these shocking visuals. Shifting focus to another big and shocking story of the day. In a shocking development, corruption accused Suresh Kalmadi and Abhay Singh Chautala have been given honorary positions in the Indian Olympic Association. Kalmadi has been named in the 2010 Commonwealth Games scam and even spent 10 months in jail, while Chautala is accused of having disproportionate assets. The union government has opposed the move, with Sports Minister Vijay Goyal expressing shock at the appointments. But the Indian Olympic Association has defended the move, claiming that the body does not need the approval of any other organization before making the decision.
सर, ये कलमाड़ी साहब का जो खबर आ रहा है
हमारी एनुअल साल में एक होती है।
ओके,
तो उसमें यूनानिमस पास हुआ।
तो ये आई बिलीव इज अ रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ अपॉइंटिंग
जितने प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं आईओ के वो लाइव प्रेसिडेंट बनते हैं आफ्टर।
अच्छा सर, बट माय ओनली क्वेश्चन इज सर कि ये आईओए का अपना फंक्शन है, दैट इज फाइन, बट शुड द आईओए हैव वेटेड बिफोर मिस्टर कलमाड़ीज नेम इज क्लियर्ड बाय द।
वही क्या ना, आईओ मीटिंग में जब जनरल हाउस ने यूनानिमस किया है तो अब क्या कुछ जवाब क्या दे।
जो प्रोब चल रहा था, आपको क्लियरेंस नहीं चाहिए?
वो हमारे के साथ क्या लिंक है? आईओ हाउस जो है वो सुप्रीम है, उसमें किसी को थोड़ा पूछना है।
We are shocked at the resolution passed by the IOA to make Suresh Kalmadi and Abhay Chautala as live presidents of IOA. We have sought details and on receipt of complete report, we shall review the situation and take appropriate action.
Overcoming all odds, 7 children from Kashmir have made India proud by winning gold and silver medals at a martial arts championship in Bhutan. Despite widespread unrest in the state for the past 5 months, these 7 children practiced really hard for 4 to 5 hours a day in mixed martial arts to qualify and eventually win 6 gold and 1 silver medal in the South Asian Championship in Bhutan. This comes just weeks after another Kashmiri girl, 8-year-old Tajamul Islam, created history by winning the World Kickboxing Championship in Italy. The champions, who live just miles away from Hyderpura, where the engineer of the Kashmir unrest, Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani, lives, they are inspiring the youth of Kashmir to work hard and build a bright future for themselves instead of letting the atmosphere of Kashmir demoralize them.
हम डेली लगभग 3 to 4 आवर्स प्रैक्टिस करते थे डेली, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस जो है हम रोज़ करते थे, मगर मैट्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल नहीं थे। उसके बाद हम चटाइयों पे प्रैक्टिस करते थे, तो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट रहा। लेकिन एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि जब आप घर से निकलते हैं कुछ हासिल करने के लिए, तो आपको मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ता है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद जब आप स्ट्रगल करते हो तो अच्छा मुकाम हासिल करते हो, तो यू फील रियली प्राउड एंड एक्साइटेड।
जब हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, हर बार हमने चटाई पे प्रैक्टिस करी, कभी मैच देखे नहीं हमें। और हमारी तरफ से ये रिक्वेस्ट है गवर्नमेंट की कि हमें कम से कम एक एरेना मिलना चाहिए, कि हमने कभी प्रैक्टिस में मैच देखी नहीं है। जब देखे हैं वही नेशनल में देखे हैं खेलते हुए और स्टेट्स में खेलते हुए देखे, और हमने मैच कभी देखे।
मिक्सड मार्शल आर्ट है, इसमें मिक्स 3 आते हैं, 3 गेम्स, कराटे आता है, जोडो आता है और बॉक्सिंग आती है। बाकी स्टेट से भी थे, महाराष्ट्र से थे, दिल्ली से थे, आसाम से थे, हरियाणा से थे। गोल्ड मेडल ज़्यादा इंडिया के ही आए, 27 गोल्ड मेडल, तो उनमें से ज़्यादा कश्मीर के ही आए। जम्मू सर आगे इनकी वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप होने वाली है 22 जून 2017 में, वो बैंकॉक में होने वाली है।
ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि मतलब हमारे मोहल्ले के बच्चे सीख रहे हैं, इसकी तरफ ध्यान दे रहे हैं और अट्रैक्शन हो रही है बाकियों को भी। जब ये वहाँ से आए और बाकी भी कहते हैं नहीं हम भी अब जाएं, क्योंकि इससे अब लोगों का जो कंसेप्ट है वो चेंज होता है। यहाँ पे माहौल कुछ ख़राब था, इससे पहले हालत बहुत ख़राब थी, तो उस बीच भी उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस की, हार्ड वर्क किया और बाहर।
Welcome back. Time for some cricket news as Gujarat batsman Samit Gohel created history by scoring a world record with his 359 runs not out against Odisha in Ranji Trophy quarter-final match. With this triple century, the 26-year-old became the highest unbeaten scorer as an opener in a first-class match at the Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur. With this score, he bettered the 117-year-old record set by Surrey's Bobby Abel of 357 runs not out against Somerset at the Oval in 1899. His superlative knock has helped Gujarat enter the semi-final of Ranji Trophy on the basis of first innings scored. The 26-year-old also became the 4th triple centurion in the history of first-class cricket to carry his bat through the innings.